What's good, YouTube? It's your man Bird back with another video. In today's video, I will be doing some custom bandana Air Force One for a good friend of mine named Garrett. Before we get into the video, I've noticed someone in my comments from the last video asked me could I show you guys how I do the shoes and what materials I use. And today, you guys are in for a treat because that's what I will do. I will show you guys the steps and materials I use for this shoe. But in return, I'm gonna need you guys to subscribe to my channel, you feel me? Turn that bell notification on and like the video right now because we're striving to hit 10,000 subscribers. And I believe we can do it, you feel me? With the support of you guys, we can do anything. So like this video right now, share it with a friend, and yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so guys, that will be all for today's video. If you guys liked the video, please make sure you don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and also hit that bell notification because we will keep dropping bangers back to back to back. You never know. One day, I might be doing a giveaway on these beauties. So, yeah, stay tuned for that. And until next time, man, this is your Bird, and we out. Say bye, baby.
Bye.
Say bye.